Hi there, my name's Nicole. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a decal out of heat transferred source adhesive vinyl. So let's get on over to the computer and I will show you what to do in Design Space.
Okay, so I already have my image picked out and downloaded that I got from Etsy. So what I'm going to do is go to the upload button here and upload my image. And here it's showing it's a cut image, which is what we want. So we're going to go ahead and upload that. And then select it and insert. Now it's popped up on our screen and it looks like it's about 13 inches, which is a little bit too big for a car decal. So I'm going to go ahead and size it down. I want it around 5 or 6 inches. So let's see here. Let's do about okay, 5.5. So you can see over here where they have separated all the pieces. If I go ahead and hit make it, this is what's going to happen. It's going to go ahead and separate it to try and conserve vinyl here. So we don't want that to happen. What we want to do is select the whole image and go to the bottom here and select attach. That will make sure it's all one image together. So when we go back to make it, there it is right there. And so I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of these today. So up here at project copies, I'm going to hit 2 and then enter. And it will automatically do 2 different copies of it.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.
You can scoot it over, move it down, whatever you would like. I am going to be using 2 different colors, so I'm going to scoot this down right under the 6 so I know where to place my colors at. Let's go ahead and go to continue. And I'm going to set it to just a regular vinyl on my machine. And we'll pop back onto the camera and I'll show you what I'm doing there.
Okay, so now that we have our design all picked out and ready to cut, we are going to size our vinyl to what it needs to be to fit on the mat. I picked out 2 colors here, which I think are going to work really great for decals. Now I'm just going to cut them down. Looks like our image is about 6 by just over 5. So about 6 by 6 squares would be perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Okay, so we have our designs all cut out and we're going to start weeding them. Let me turn you down so you can see. I like to weed on the mat. It's just easier. The decal doesn't go sliding anywhere. So I'm going to grab my weeding tool. This is the Tweety Light that Heat Transfer Source sells. It is amazing. I recently just got one and I just absolutely love it. It has a little light on it so you can actually see the cuts in the vinyl. Just absolutely amazing tool. So we're going to go ahead and start and just take the outside layer off. And there we have it. Now let's get some transfer tape put onto them. Okay, now I will be taking this off the mat. You always want to make sure your transfer paper will fit over before you start there. So those fit well. What I like to do is just get a little corner in the top piece. Sorry, my video cut out. So I have our transfer tape here. I just go ahead and peel it off and then bend it like this, and then go ahead and apply to the middle and let it go down, and then use my scraper and just make sure you scraper it real well. I do the front and the back side just so it's on there. Same for the other one. And I'll go ahead and trim off the ends of them. But this is how they turned out, and now they are ready to go onto a car or wherever you would like. Thank you for watching today, and hope to see you back again soon. Bye.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.